let's discuss about methods of production. Okay. First is ammonia oxidation process. Second one is NaNO3 plus H2SO4 process. Third one is nitrogen fixation, N2 fixation from air. And fourth one is N2 fixation from nuclear fission. बराबर, N2 fixation, sorry, by nuclear fission. These four are the methods of production for nitric acid, and we will going to discuss ammonia oxidation process. It includes atmospheric pressure process, intermediate pressure process. Intermediate pressure process is also called Montechtini pressure process. And third one is complete pressure process. Okay, so these are the, it is a simple variation of pressure: atmospheric pressure, intermediate pressure and complete pressure process. Okay, now let's discuss intermediate pressure process, or we can say Montechtini pressure process. Okay, or we can also say that Montechtini process. Okay, these three are ammonia oxidation process. Okay, now raw material. Main raw material is ammonia. Okay, second one is filtered air. Third one is platinum, rhodium catalyst, and power, or we can say electricity. Platinum, rhodium, makeup catalyst. Okay, ammonia from ammonia synthesis gas. These are the basic raw materials for ammonia oxidation intermediate pressure process. Okay, now chemical reaction. Chemical reactions. First one is ammonia oxidation major reaction, that is ammonia plus 5/4 O2. It gives NO plus 3/4 H2O. This is a major reaction, and this nitrous oxide plus O2 gives 2NO2. Okay, now these are the major reaction. Now what is side reaction? Ammonia react with 3/4 O2, it becomes 1/2 N2 plus 3/2 H2O. This is a side reaction when ammonia react with oxygen, that with air. Okay, ammonia itself gives 1/2 N2 plus 3/2 H2. Ammonia when react with O2, it gives 1/2 N2O plus 3/2 H2O. Ammonia plus 3/2 NO, it gives 5/4 N2 plus 3/2 H2O. That means side reaction gives nitrogen and water. Okay, these are our main reaction. Now nitrous oxide, actually first step, second step, nitrous oxide oxidation and absorption. Our method includes 4 easy steps. Okay, last step is concentration of nitric acid. Okay, 2NO plus O2 gives 2NO2. This 3NO2 plus H2O gives 2HNO3 plus NO. 2NO2, it gives N2O4. So basically 2NO2 our main reaction, or we can write only these two reactions if possible, then write all, otherwise these two reactions are most important. 2NO2 plus H2O, it gives HNO3 plus HNO2. 2HNO2 gives H2O plus NO plus NO2. Okay, these are the chemical reactions. First one is ammonia oxidation. This one, ammonia oxidation major reaction. These 4 side reaction, and this one nitrous oxide oxidation and absorption. Okay, so these are also important. Okay, steps of process. Okay, first one is oxidation of ammonia. To NO. Okay. Second one is oxidation of NO to NO2. Third one is absorption. Absorption of NO2 in water. Okay, and last one is concentration of nitric acid. Okay.